Good morning out there in math land today, third graders. So before you do today's assignment, which is your homework pages from lesson 2, I went through it and there might be a couple places where you might have a little trouble. So I want to head trouble off at the pass by doing this quick little video with helpful hints. The first thing I noticed is on the very first page. Let's look at this problem, right there. So they're asking you, if you added 35 milliliters to this container, then how much would you have? Well, it's tricky because this section right here between these two numbers, it goes from 100 to 150. So the first thing that you have to think about is what's halfway between 100 and 150. I'm not going to tell you the answer. You have to think about that and figure it out, because you'll take that halfway number and then you'll have to add 35 to it to get the correct answer. Okay? The next thing that I want you to start thinking about is, now that you have learned multiplication and division, then that means that you know 4 different math operations. You know addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So when you're reading your story problems for this homework assignment, that's the first thing you're going to have to think about. After you read the problem, you're going to have to say, what math operation do I have to use to figure out this answer? Is this a multiplication problem? Is it a division problem? Am I going to have to subtract, or do I have to add? Which one of those math operations am I going to have to use? So on this story problem page, I believe I found, I found a division problem. I found a multiplication problem. I found an addition problem. So, when you go through it, ask yourself that question. What operation am I going to have to use to figure this out? Good luck. May the force be with you.